I got my Valentine's Day mystery bag. And really funny story about this, I actually was supposed to get this on the 6th, Saturday. And it didn't come in. I think they delivered it to a different house. And then I was like, oh, you know, I'm not gonna get it, but someone was kind enough to put it back in our box, which is really cool. All right, so I'm just gonna open it up. Kason is eating right now, so if you hear little munchies in the background, I'm sorry. So it has the Pacifica After Sun Cool and Glow Sheet Mask, aloe and vitamin C. This is what the bag looks like, by the way. And then here is just a brush. It is by Pharma. That's what it looks like. It says, love yourself here. So I got this. Hey Pooh Bear, you done your food? So I got this, but it is this OFRA highlighter in Blissful. You know what, I actually have my hip reset bag right here that had the thing. Let's see if it's the same thing. Oh no, so it's different. So I got this in Blissful in the Valentine's Day one, and then in my winter reset I got this one, and it is called Glow Goals. That's them together. It's really pretty. So that'd be my second OFRA highlighter. That's cool. And then the next thing, hi buddy, hi, no. This is what it looks like. The last thing that I got was this Pharma Rescue Mask by First Aid Beauty. This is what it looks like. And that was my last item. Again, this is what the bag looks like inside. So just to go over really quick. I got this Pacifica After Sun sheet mask. I got this Farah brush. I got this highlighter from OFRA. The waterproof bronzer from Tarte, and the First Aid Beauty mask. I hope you guys enjoyed.